Qianzhousaurus. Qianzhousaurus, meaning Qianzhou lizard, is a genus of tyrannosaurid dinosaurs that lived in Asia during the Late Cretaceous period. There is currently only one species named, the type species Qianzhousaurus sinensis, which is member of the tribe Alioramini within the group, and most closely related to Alioramus, another alioramin. History of discovery. The holotype specimen, GMF 10004, was unearthed in southern China, Qianzhou, at the Ningxiang Formation in the summer of 2010 during the construction of an industrial park, and it was first described by paleontologists Zhengkang Liu, Liping Yi, Stephen L. Brusate, Ling Yang, Huali and Lu Chen in the journal Nature Communications in 2014. The genus is known from a partial subadult individual consisting of a nearly complete skull with the lower jaws missing all teeth, lost during fossilization, 9 cervical vertebrae, 3 dorsal vertebrae, 18 caudal vertebrae, both scapulocoracoids, partial ilia, and the left hindline comprising the femur, tibia, fibula, astragalus with calcaneum, and metatarsals 3 and 4. The generic name, Qianzhousaurus, is in reference to Qianzhou, the older name of Qianzhou, where the remains were discovered, and the specific name, sinensis, is derived from the Greek sigma nu alpha iota, sin, sino, Sinai, in reference to China. The fossil remains were discovered by workmen at a construction site near the city of Qianzhou, who then took them to a local museum. Lead author Liu Zhengkang from the Institute of Geology, Chinese Academy of Geological Sciences stated that the new discovery is very important. Along with Alioramus from Mongolia, it shows that the long-snouted tyrannosaurids were widely distributed in Asia. Although we are only starting to learn about them, the long-snouted tyrannosaurs were apparently one of the main groups of predatory dinosaurs in Asia. The existence of long-snouted tyrannosaurs was previously suspected due to other inconclusive fossil finds which could be explained as the juveniles of short-snouted species, but co-author Stephen L. Brusate from the University of Edinburgh reveals that the find tells us pretty unequivocally that these long-snouted tyrannosaurs were a real thing. They were a different breed, living right at the end of the age of dinosaurs. Description: Qianzhousaurus was a medium-sized tyrannosaurid estimated to have been 6.3 meters, 21 feet, long and 757 kilograms, 1,669 pounds, in weight. The taxon can be differentiated from other tyrannosaurids in having a highly narrowed premaxilla, a pneumatic opening on the upper extension of the maxilla, and the lack of a vertical ridge-like structure on the lateral surface of the ilium. Unlike more traditional tyrannosaurids, which had prominent deep-set jaws and thick teeth, Qianzhousaurus had a particularly elongated snout, with, when restored, narrow teeth. The holotype specimen is notably larger and more mature than the holotypes of both species of Alioramus. However, given that some sutures between the cervical and dorsal vertebrae are partially fused, the holotype was an immature animal, likely a subadult. Qianzhousaurus was a long-legged animal with a 70 cm, 700 mm, long femur and 76 cm, 760 mm, long tibia. Classification. The discovery of Qianzhousaurus led to a new branch of the tyrannosaur family being named, consisting of the long-snouted Q. sinensis and the 2 known species of Alioramus. This clade, named the Alioramini, had an uncertain placement relative to other members of the tyrannosaur branch in the initial analysis that discovered it. The primary phylogenetic analysis found Alioramini to be closer to Tyrannosaurus than to Albertosaurus, and therefore a member of the group Tyrannosaurini. However, a second analysis in the same paper found it to be located outside of the clade, including Albertosaurini and Tyrannosaurini, and therefore the sister group of Tyrannosauridae. Below is the first analysis found by the authors.